And it's like a priority ladder.
Yeah. Does that make sense?
And we talk about that these are interchangeable. You do them as they appear as you read a book, and similarly here for add, subtract.
Yep.
And it's a priority ladder, this being the most important, and followed by exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. And the whole thing comes from from algebra.
Yes.
Okay, so I have them put their acronym here, usually in letter form. So, are there any brackets enclosing an operation? And the answer is no. The brackets are used, but they're to enclose rational numbers, to enclose basically negative rationals.
Yes.
Okay, so they would actually be
ticking them off as they go?
Ticking it off, and there are no exponents. So, multiply or divide. And the answer is yes. But even, before I do that, I would have them change everything to improper form. And this changes to 8, 11 quarters.
Yep.
Okay, so now following the order of operations, there are no brackets enclosing an operator, an operation sign. There are no exponents. So we come to multiply and divide, and there's a multiplication question. So underline it. Now, if you can do it here, fine. If not, do the work over there. So in this case, they could do some cancellation between the 2 and the 4. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 into 4 twice. And that's the extent of the calculation. So bring the rest of the question down to begin with. Now, finalize this calculation. So it's going to be a negative rational times a positive, so our final answer is negative. And 1 times 11, multiplying the numerators, is 11, and multiplying the denominators, 3 times 2 is 6. Okay? Now, so we've taken care of these. There is no division as such, so we're left with that addition, subtraction. So we have to do negative 9 halves plus negative 11 sixths. So we need a common size part. Addition is adding like things that are the same.
You can just change one of them.
Yeah, here we only have to change one of them. The common size part is 6. So negative 27 6 plus negative 11 6. And when I combine those, negative 27 6 plus negative 11 6 gives me negative 38 6. And is it possible to reduce this? We like our answers in lowest terms. They're easier to visualize. And the answer is yes. It reduces to negative 19 over 2 is a common denominator going in here. 19 times 2 is a common denominator here, going in 3. So